Hello. James, hello. Arcout. New cut, yep. I have short hair again. Finally. What's voting gonna be? I've been streaming Chris 14 for months at this point. You know what it's gonna be. Yep, it is the Arts and Crafts one. Wait, this can be one object, both combined. I just realized. It shouldn't be two objects, it's one. Today no crash, hopefully not. Eh. Yeah, 13 is the ice castle. What music do we pick today? Eight 805. Car seat headrest. That's not a real song. Woolly World OST. All right, let's do it. What a baby song! Oh my god. No way, car seat headrest is a band. I refuse to believe. Yep, this is for Return to Yoshi's Island. Meow 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 meow. Hello, Low Mine. So 5,000 coordinates, and so much I want to move. Hello, Clayman. Hello, Tomasus. Estimated when it comes out? Nope. I need to find a way to mentally deal with people asking me when it comes out. I don't like to do it like this. I'm not in climbable walls. Nope, this is a sticky wall. It's gonna be a wall that you can't slide on. It's because there's glue on it. And the wall is gonna move, so you're gonna have to, you know, be smart about it. Should we more secret on the Royal Raceway area since it's got the cars and racetrack as a whole map, but this isn't the Lino or graphics ready to download game or laptop? I don't understand. Yeah, the bug from yesterday is fixed. It was actually the compiler's fault, which is interesting. Oh wait, that's James Lambert. I just realized. Okay, well, let me show you what this actually is, since you are a big important person, have never been in the stream before. Let me show you what I'm working on. This is kind of an arts and crafts theme level, and my entire controls are disabled right now. What the hell? I mean, you're gonna think this is so cool. Let me show something cool. In this level. Okay, somehow that code disabled my controls, I don't know why. Oh, probably because I have an equals somewhere instead of an equals equals. Look at this, I got normal maps working. With a tiny bit of reflection. It's hard to see the reflection because I toned down the effect so much. But if I turn the camera, you can kind of see how the texture changes. The light source is over there. It's very much a work in progress level. Right now I'm working on a piece of that castle over there. Let's jump at that. Okay, you know the CI4 texture format? I stored 16 pixels that are RGBA 16 and they control 5-bit normal vectors. And then at runtime I converted it to an IA16 CI4 texture and I back up the normal vector somewhere. And then I use those normal vectors to compute the light reflection into the IA16 palette. Right, so I only have to compute 16 pixels, but it looks like the whole thing is normal mapped. Bioback is working on the factory right now, I believe. So sticking to it works, but for some reason it's not moving. That kind of ruins the whole point. It's actually not my idea. Yeah, it was actually it was Dariel's idea, but I like the trick. Did I swap the collision individuals? I did swap the collision individuals. The factory, Oily Boily Bay again? No, he's working on the Bob-omb factory. You might not remember that level, because I don't think I did that level on stream. So naturally you wouldn't remember that. Also guys, I'm thinking of releasing a demo for Quiz 1 soon. I'm already like scripting the video for it. What do you think of just throwing in Delfino Plaza in there with like no stars, nothing in it, just as a flex? Just like have Delfino Plaza run fine on the N64 and be like, yep, the engine can do that. I think it would be very cool. I'm actually gonna move the spawn point over here. I think we might need to do some balancing changes here. Add Cap King from Odyssey? Oh god. Or do you mean from Odyssey 64? The one from Odyssey 64 would probably work. The one from the actual Odyssey, no shot. Over the world map. I think it would be really cool to make an open world N64 engine at some point, where it like generates the map of like a height map and some other data that you supply. Okay, so the thing moves, but Mario does not get the inertia, which is a huge issue. We really should be getting it. Shit. I guess I might have to undo this later if I ever support that in engine. I mean, it's fine if it's a little bit difficult, but like, if I can't beat it, it's too difficult for sure. $100 is too little, clearly. I also don't think I want... let's buy 500, maybe that works. Do you know an easy SPI to use area importer, so I don't have to rely on the years old Scatters model area importer? There is ROM Ninja, but that's pretty much universally frowned upon. Actually, instead of this, what if we had, because we need to signify to the player that it's gonna move. What if instead of that, we just had a little bit of a shake going on? Will the Bowser levels also get a rework? Everything is gonna get a rework by Bioback at some point, just to bring it up to the visual quality of the other reworks. But obviously that's lower priority, so let's see. And be a trim, yes, I shaved today. And I finally got my hair short. Having hair is so annoying. I wish I could just go bald, but my wife would complain if I did, so I can't. Yeah, it's going too far. Way too far. But the basic idea is working, we just need to tweak the parameters now. Maybe 100 was what I wanted here. And we also needed to flicker before disappearing. You obstacles on each side to make Mario wall jump. That sounds like a decent idea. I was thinking of just making it so you don't completely stop, but rather just like slow down. So like... this. Now it would blink for 2 seconds, which is obviously not what we want. Or well, 3 seconds. I think 2 seconds of blink is what we want. Hello, Palka? What is this time blinking variable here? I can't just declare stuff like this, like on the stack. That sucks. I didn't know C had that limitation. Right, so the bug we had yesterday that caused the crash was I had grass normal vectors like this, and what I had before was just this, and this makes it be declared in a segment that doesn't actually get included. So it would somehow, I don't know how this is possible, but it would keep the symbol, but it would assign size 0 to this, so that when we overrode this, we overrode a random part of memory. Okay, this feels fair. Let's try that again as soon as they come back. Maybe it's a little difficult. Maybe they should be a little bit bigger. Maybe I moved them down a little bit. They went for too long as well, which I don't like. Imagine I'm using my own. This is a heavily modified version of the Mario 64 engine, basically. That's jank. I wouldn't want it to be that difficult. I forgot to set this to 0. I think if I move it just a bit more down, then it's gonna be less jank. Yeah, this is an N64 game. I don't know if you're new here. We're making an N64 game. Hello, Mario Luigi SM64. Hi, Leela. Welcome to the stream, Leela. Oh, I know why. Because you don't actually get the inertia. That's why this is so difficult. Foods, can you make a mod where Mario ate the cake at the end and is morbidly obese? No, for April Fools, my plan is to make a Mr. Beast style video that titles I hacked every N64 game in one day. And then the first sentence of the video is gonna be I hacked 25 N64 games, and it's not actually in one day. And then it's like a bunch of small modifications, and it's like all Mr. Beast style edited. I think that will go hard. Maybe I should just slow it down faster. Interesting. So we don't actually need this if we set the inertia. Good. Hankley SM64 starter pack. Is that the thing Mr. Beast does? Starter packs? And we did so much progress in the last few weeks that I have like 5 case clips videos ready to go. Okay, this is near perfect now. This is kind of how I had envisioned this. This is like... it feels very risky to play, I think. So it's fine if it's not super difficult. Like, that actually is desirable. It's not difficult. Default mod. Okay, well, if you sell 1 million products, surely there's gonna be mold in like one of them, right? Also, even if there was no mold in it, someone would probably put mold in it and tweet that out just to like get the Twitter clout. So I don't know if I believe that there's mold in it. Default mold in tons of them? Okay, never mind. If it's in all of them, never mind what I said. It's kind of embarrassing. Oh my god. How do you just put mold in there on accident? That is so stupid. When you even found mold, well... Oh no. Okay, now that we have pretty spaces, I wanna put the acceleration way down again. Is real cheese that isn't full of preservatives, and now they have learned why people tend to add preservatives. That reeks of like, I'm gonna make this product and I know everything, unlike the other people, and I'm gonna just do it way better, and then it's like, you don't know shit, then now you made it worse. That's like Elon Musk on Twitter. Play regular and Roblox. Okay, master, I will play regular and Roblox. Okay, that's basically exactly how I wanted this to play. That's cool. What course is this? This is course 14 as the title. Oh, actually no, when you're on YouTube, the title doesn't say shit. He destroyed his image with that KSI Logan Paul collab. I thought he destroyed this image with... I don't even remember what he did, but there were like 15 videos going, it's so over for Mr. Beast. What was that about? Ooh, why are they black from here? Probably because the cam draw and pitch is all weird. What is left to do? 15? I don't know. I avoided getting cancelled longer than Mr. Beast. I will never get cancelled, alright? I'm a great person with great opinions. You wanna hear one of my great opinions? I'd love to share one of my great opinions. So I wonder if I move him in the middle, is this still gonna be possible to do? Mr. Beast paid me $1 million to make a ROM hack, I would do it. That would be awesome. Maybe that's how Mr. Beast can cancel himself, just pay me to make a ROM hack. People would love that. Oh, there we go, that's perfect. And then it stops there, so if you don't get over early, you die. Surely you can tightrope on there if you're really good. I don't know, Arthur Chili, I almost called you Mr. Beast. I don't know if we should talk about the Talk to Her girl still. I heard recently that she's problematic and she's now full in on the grift. Don't know if that's true. But that would be hilarious if she went from Talk to Her to be like, buy my Trump Bible or you will go to hell. She dick writes Elon. Yeah. Fair. To redo Mario at some point? I already did redo Mario, did I not? Okay, so we need the Bowser still, we need the Flap still, we need the Peach to the rescue. And we wanted the Zipper to hell. Another question is, how do we best make the Zipper open the stage here? Trump or Camilla? I know zero about Camilla other than her skin color. That's what the marketing around her was to me. I know... Hello? Get it? I don't get it. Fair enough, Arthur. Is he making the hell part of the level? By the way, everyone, oh my god, the Twitter monetization grind is going way better than I thought. We hit 250k today. The fuck? That's like 5 days worth of impressions. Guys, we're making hella bank off Twitter. If we go this way, then it goes down on both. That's good, because then we can just remap it like so. That was the wrong button. Okay, still goes down, perfect. Stop is the great dog, true. Can't read the last comment you wrote. Something about an Eiffel to remember? I have no idea what you're talking about. I'm just working. I know you'd grill me for it. Okay, let's think about the graphic effect. So Mario needs to be able to open the zipper and fall into here. Doesn't need to be a zipper. What if it's like a piece of tape and you have to rip the piece of tape open to like open the box? I think that would work too. I think that might actually be better and more fitting instead of a zipper. I want to make a ROM exhibiting random technology. That's not what I'm interested in. Yeah, it would be a cardboard flap. Just thinking about how this would work technically. You haven't made Mr. Beast 64? Why would I do that? So if this is tape, then we'd have to make like a tape roll, and the tape roll would have to get bigger, right? That is doable. But it wouldn't look very good for Mario to just go back with that. But the zipper feels so unfitting. Maybe if I Google cardboard box, there's some inspiration here. Yeah, this is what I was thinking at first. Just tear out 4 staples. I could kinda see that, yeah. Although, all 4? I don't know about that. The Mario model I have right now is like an HDified version of the normal Mario model with less triangles. Look, this is what he looks like. He also has new features like his nose jiggles. It's hard to see, but yeah, you can kind of see it when I'm running from here. You see that? And he's got the glove texture, and the buttons are now 3D models, and everything is more higher resolution. He's got a color line on his shoes. There's plenty of changes. True biobacker, but Twitter impressions is something we min-max. His head shape is supposed to look the same. What other ways are there to open a cardboard box? To hell. Galaxy View or Sunshine 2? I kind of want to pick Sunshine 2 because I feel like you can make a decent game in Sunshine, they just didn't manage to do it the first time. Whereas in Galaxy, you can't. It does do that style, or it used to do that, but the feature is currently inactive because maintaining it while I'm working on stuff is difficult. Hello CTF. Trying to figure out how big a cardboard... how... Yeah, we're trying to think of a way. The first idea Bioback had was that it would be a zipper that would be attached to here, and then you would open the zipper. But on second thought, I don't really like it. So my next idea would have been to have like a piece of tape that you can pull. But... a piece of tape would... I mean, a piece of tape would work, but I'd have to make it like grow. I'd have to probably add some kind of vertex animation to it. which seems possible, but eh. Instead of peeling off, just have it be cut. I guess cutting it would work. Pushing a knife along the box where the tape is like with a big key. I don't know if I want to put a scalpel in this map so you can run along the line with a scalpel. I mean, it works, but... He does kind of fit the vibe. We could have maybe two flaps of a thing that are like this, and there's one texture in the middle that's projected over both. And then we have it dynamically remove the alpha channel of it, so like you can see the dark side. And then choop. Pasta box opener. What? I'm not sure I understand this idea. I don't know, I think Mario carrying something is a little awkward, just in general. Ideally, you'd be able to open this differently somehow. Although if it is an item you have to carry, then this would be allowing it to be anywhere. You know what you mean? You just can't put words to it. Do you mean the pizza cutter? Pasta and pizza is basically the same thing. They exist in the same thought bubble. Is there a cardboard box opener? Well, there is. Holy shit. Oh, that's gonna look cool. Now I have to think about how to do that. We can have this be one animated actor, and it just keeps animating as you pull. So the sound is inherent. Yeah, I see what you mean. Okay, wait, let me see if we can make that happen. I probably want a really small strip, just because otherwise it's gonna be expensive to render. Oh yeah, guys, I also need ideas for the next video title. Thinking this is gonna be a video like explaining what fuck am I rewriting Mario 64. So my title idea so far is why I've been rewriting Mario 64 or why I am rewriting Mario 64. Question is which title will actually work out. This 5 minutes. This is the Yoshi's Woolly World OST. It's an actual Nintendo game OST, it's not on me. Nintendo made this, alright? You're insulting some poor Japanese man that's just doing his job now. Just replacing it with old code. I feel like that's not interesting as a title enough. It's every single video you make. Look, they were just doing their job, but they were doing it poorly. I like why I've been emphasizing, well, but why I am also is like being active, right? It gets longer as you pull it. It gets longer as you pull it? What? Really? Ugh. It's going to at the end, it gets longer as he walks backwards. Oh, you mean this piece here at the end gets longer as you pull it? Yes, that's true. Well, I've been rewriting my 6, so you prefer that, but is that even a good title? Case, did you enable the 3-month nitro thing? I don't know what that is. Okay, I think we need more segments realistically to make this work at all, which sucks. So ideally we make this as short as possible. But it's gonna be less satisfying if it's so short. How can I make this long without it being expensive? Either more segments or thinner. I mean, thin and long kind of works, I guess. The problem is this needs to be basically the start state, otherwise how's more even pulling it, right? Or something like this, the start state, and you have it here. I guess it would be fine if Mario grabs it from here, we just teleport him to the other side. It's gonna look weird, but it's gonna make the gameplay that much better. And then, oh god, do I have to watch videos on how this is done again? Would it be like this? That seems problematic. It wouldn't be, right? How would this work out? What if I make this way thinner? What if I make it two-dimensional? We need like a goal height where Mara's actually gonna be pulling it at. And it should be like 100 coordinates off the floor. Would it pull like this? Yes, I am a German living in Canada. Germany is the worst country to live in the entire world. Yeah, maybe not the very worst, but it's in my top 10 list for sure. I don't think German engineering has been the best in a long time. Let's see. The end looks good. The beginning looks a little shoddy. Like I like this. This is fine. It shouldn't be so high up. And this shouldn't be so high up. Stop asking me when the release date is for it. Hör auf mich zu fragen, wo das Spiel rauskommt, du Hund. Du Affe. Du Spaß. I don't know. I can't say anything too bad. Looks great. I like how it looks, but I think the speed needs to be a little more consistent. This is true, Mario Maker 64 did release a long time ago. I did want to do Mario 64 X Majora's Mask at some point, but I never formally started it. Okay, 1174 coordinates. If it's 1174 coordinates, why don't we make it easy and just say we spread this over this many animation frames. I didn't select all of them. So this needs to be... Okay, 17 frames in needs to be there. Oh boy. Wait, no, that's 15 frames. This is where 29 frames needs to end up. We should do it the other way around. We should just figure out where the frame is. That's 400, so that should be frame 40. And frame 59 should be 190 further. Okay, that's pretty accurate. Good. Frame 73 should be 140 units further. Okay. That's too early. No, wait, that's... We did it the other way around again. 35, so... Frame... I forgot my number. 764, so frame 76. Got it. 76, 185, frame 95. This should be frame 95. It's 9 frames further, so this should be 104. That's fine. Alright, now it should be a mostly consistent speed, I think. Alright. What courses did you take while developing your robotic robot? Wait, what courses did I take? In university? I studied mathematics in university, so it was mostly analysis, linear algebra, functional analysis, topology, stuff like that. Normal algebra. So we don't actually want this, we want a box that you can open. I don't have the screenshot from BioBack open anymore. Oh well. I need to change the model then. So there gotta be teeth on here, right? Let me see if I can find this on my history. I found it. Yeah, we need to put teeth on these. Change the water to the ground? Yeah. Let me actually... This is the funniest thing ever. You remember how I said that the stage runs poorly and we need to make sure need to make a few budget cuts? The reason it ran poorly is because back from my other ROM, I still had the drawing distance for everything set at infinite. So if you look at it now, it's... Let me turn these off. It runs a lot better. Okay, well, it's still not great, but it's a lot more acceptable now. I also think the floor looks a lot better now. And I made the mountains one material instead of 2 for the decal there, which is gonna have a lot more implications for good performance. There we go, we finally landed. But yeah, the performance is now mostly fine. I really like the swamp. Man, I can't wait to add the music to this area. It's gonna make everything here so much nicer. And the brighter will be at the edge. Maybe? The darker water is always far away from land. But isn't that exactly how this works now, actually? Wait, you're contradicting yourself. You think the land is at the edge, away from the stage? I don't think so. My only concern about the floor is that it doesn't look crafty enough. But I don't know if it looks crafty enough. I find that hard to gauge. Like, I don't want it to look like arbitrary color. I want it to look like there's paper on paper here. This actually looks a lot better with the though. I gotta move the death floor up. This is kind of what they look like, isn't it? I did it completely wrong. Why does this feel wrong? Did I do it in the wrong direction? I did. I have to... Even that feels wrong. I think they are a lot bigger. That seems more like it. Hello, Lila. The on of the presser. That's good. Wait, is the presser like your depression, or is that like a type of coffee? Sounds like a type of coffee to me. Hello, Aegians. So 1009. And this is 1000 exactly. I think we need this to be 1000 exactly then as well. Like so. Oh, actually, if you pull it all the way, then it would just fall off backwards, so I don't like that. And then how thick is it? 100 and 141. Cool. Yeah, Arthur was looking for you earlier. He went in here and said, "Hi, Lila." There's a very similar level in Peach's memory, so I can see why you think that. Say hello in case, but Twitch didn't let me because Lila TV already said that. That's funny that's how it works. Insane. Thank you for thanking me, Tea Time. No problem, bro. It's planned to be inside the box. Hell. Basically, hell, yeah. That is the best description of it. I think I need 9 subdivisions in total. And then this needs to be the opposite. Like so. How many days have you worked on this level? I don't know. I don't keep track of that. I just make game. I don't have space in my brain to think about those things. How many coordinates? 21 roughly. Well, we should probably even these all out to exactly 21. I don't want to run into an issue with the model editor once runs up and the other thing runs down or something. A tentacle being animated pop out of the box and take like a check. Tentacle? I think you misunderstand what you're making here. Don't worry, just keep watching. You will be very excited once you see how this comes together. Have you ever tried embodying on UI level to an L6 to see the difference? I haven't, but that would be pretty hype to do. I do think I should do something like that at some point. Just for like a video. So I want this to be like glowing red hell. I think that's a cool effect. Well, I'm gonna work on today. Yippee? Yeah, it is a box opening tab. Okay, we're gonna have a bit of a difficulty here because we need this to look exactly the same. So actually, do we want it to look exactly the same? If it looks exactly the same, then there's not gonna be an issue of how you're gonna figure out to even pull this. I also think I want a 1 coordinate gap here, just so you can kind of see inside it. 75 days schizo. There's no way you beat Schizo Scrabble 75 days in a row. Just to give you guys an idea, the Schizo Scrabble for today that I saw was just 2 words. Falling up, question mark? And the answer is 4 letters. What do you think the answer is? Falling up, question mark. What is the Schizo Scrabble answer? Oh, tripping up, question mark. Tripping, falling, basically the same thing. So in literally 4 seconds, how? It can be anything. Tripping could be like... You could be like down, because like if you're tripping, you're being down, and up, the opposite is down, and like a question mark up, so maybe they mean the opposite of up. So like, oh, down could be a good answer. But it's not. And then I thought maybe the answer is fall, because surely fall has a double meaning with autumn and the season that you can somehow connect to up, and it's also like the same as tripping. Well, the answer was high, because like when you're tripping you're high, and like up also kind of means high. It's like, okay, well actually that's not too bad. That you can kind of make sense of that one. You're 85 under par? Oh, do you have like the world record in this game? There's no way. There's no way. I refuse to believe that's just impossible. Nobody can beat that schizo. It's crazy. Dude, there have to be other answers that are just as valid as high. I refuse to believe. Will there be a hard mode? Well, I mean, you can just decide to play the game without collecting coins. That's the beauty of Mario 64. You make it in hard mode. If you want a hard mode, just play risky. That looks terrible. When you suck at Mario 64? Well... Huh? Yeah, so you're gonna die when you play in hard mode, which is playing risky. Yeah, what did you expect? Well, you can only enjoy a hard mode if there's the extrinsic motivation of the game pushing you to do so. Do you not have a soul? I think this is my nightly routine. Squirtle with reverse letter. I don't get this one. Minute cryptic. Connections get 4 groups of 4. Okay. Statistic quiz. Oh, I guess that's Wordle. This is Wordle. Okay, you're playing Wordle twice. Color Rush. Oh, okay. Wait, Color Rush is about how good I was too, right? Didn't I get a number around this when I played this on stream once? Explodal. That's just Color Rush again. Mini. Sutum. That looks like Wordle. And this also looks like Wordle. And this also looks like Wordle. Mario Hurdle? Wordle? Oh my god. Oh my god, how many are there? Thurdle? And a waffle? You're playing like 6 Wordles? This is like the opposite of brain rot. How did it go from you asking me if there's a hard mode to you thinking I have no soul? I think I made my thought pattern quite clear. I think I explained it well. Okay, I think this will work if we use something like this. We could multi-texture this with itself. See how that works out. Free Wordle clones, I see how this goes, yeah. Makes sense. I have a feeling if I made like a Wordle clone and published it to the App Store, BioBag would play it. He would find it somehow. Okay, maybe if I use this texture with less saturation it will work. If I said 20%, 19 sets of Wordles. Yeah, I can kind of see the similarity here. Don't know if I'm on board with putting those on equal footing here. Because one is something you do to stay healthy, the other one is just insanity. Wordle N64 that exists. There's a Wordle N64. I think Death Wizard made this. Yeah, add this to your routine by like install an emulator, play Mario 64 Wordle. Best way to transfer this UV map over. Should be offset by exactly 1. That is intentional. Oh, this fits perfectly though. That's great. This is awesome. So we don't want to do like 100% exactly match, but we do need it to be close enough. That seems good to me. Don't forget N64. What do you mean, don't forget N64? Make the color slightly off, maybe. There's this gap here on purpose, so you can see inside. So hopefully that will be enough to see the issue. We can look at this on N64 as well. And then we'll know for sure. Once I have an evil glow emanator besides true. That would be what I would like. All vertices must be part of a group. They are. Are they not? Oh wait. Okay, there we go. That yellow paint, I don't understand the reference. Is this a joke? Please explain, Lila. Would you like to tell the class why you said that? Still gonna make the crayon so that it changes colors. Oh yeah, I'm thinking of making a video, one bug with every Mario 64 enemy. I think that could be interesting for the YouTube people. Perfect tool for a video. PDF to brain rot. I've seen those on Instagram. Oh no. I should do that as a short. Selecting already planned, guess what it will be about? Yeah, it's called Why I Am Rewriting Mario 64 or something like that. I'm not sure on the title yet. Okay, if I did everything right, we should see the zipper now, and the zipper should be in a continuous state of unzipping and then teleporting back. Grass essay ran through that. Oh, I should cut parts of the grass essay like that. Dude, is there an AI tool that can take a YouTube video and pick like the highlights and make shorts out of it? There has to be. What do you mean you wrote a coin engine for those coins? One is called Pay Okayo. The problem is, with shorts you're never gonna make the money back. No one really watches those shorts. The shorts that I've made so far, investment-wise, has not been a wise decision. I have not made my money back. And now I have 1 million shorts that look like mobile ads on my channel. And I still have like 40 I need to upload. And they're all like that. Oh, something's going wrong here. So you're rewriting i64 code in the end. I mean, it's a title that would do well, yes, but calling it the secret reason is just too cringe. I can't do it. The real reason? Honestly, yeah. The real reason would make sense. That's very fitting with the video. Instinctually avoid shorts. Yeah. Well, the shorts I upload on my channel, I set them to not be pushed to my subscribers. I just wanted to see how the YouTube short landscapes work out. So it was an interesting experiment to see. Dude, why are these triangles doing that? They just shouldn't. That's just not what they're programmed to do. More fit in there even? Oh, definitely. But I don't like how it curls. It doesn't even make any sense. Why would it curl like that? There's no reason for it to do that. I didn't program it to do that. That has to be some kind of bug. Speaking of, the first row of bomb cap is, oh no, 525 triangles. Surely you're missing a digit somewhere in there. And I hope it's not a 9 at the front. But 525 triangles is nothing. It's gonna run that at like 120 FPS if it could. Decades later, yeah, Brody had made that years ago. Or months ago. It was not even Pilsens. How do you get to Pilsens on making that? There must be some huge confusion here. Yeah, that's how it works. There's kind of some 3D land hack. It's from Woolly World. How's the Minute going? Still working on a bunch of little actors in there. It's going very slowly. Okay, this is gonna be a bit buggy at first, but don't worry about it. We're just gonna teleport there right away. Started was fucking insane decision looking back then. Imagine Nintendo announced Odyssey 2 for the Alarmo. Wait, do you mean like announcing Star Road 2 for the 3DS? Or do you mean like the original Sound Step Cs? Yeah, Star Road 2 was planned at some point by Scalox. It was gonna be another Mario 64 hack. And then he just didn't make it. But kept saying he was working on it. He actually still says he's working on it. It's been like 11 years. Yeah, Star Road 2 started as a Mario 64 hack in like 2013. Then it was converted to a 3D Land hack in like 2016. Then it was converted to like being part of Mario 64 DS's Star Road port in like 2017. Then it was set to be announced, to be released 2017, and then it was set to be released 2020, I think, and then it was set to be released 2021, and now it's almost 2025. I don't know if the Alamo can run Mario 64. That's a little too crazy, in my opinion. I don't think he has a reschedule at all. I don't think the release has been or was planned ever. Because I don't think he has any progress done, because that would mean you have to work on it. And working is unpleasant. Was coming to add a Diamond 2 at some point. I remember that. I talked to the guys that make Head in Time about it too. Like when I started working there. It was a very funny conversation. I should not be using forward well here. I should be using something else. You're so fucking old. That's true. You're decrepit. Oh, not old. You're old too. Need thoughts of my programming guidelines. I love my actor sense gibberish. They should erase with memory addresses in their actor struct. Do not trust the name like opacity, actually mean opacity. I think that's a good warning. I don't think it's taking long because he switches games, I think it's taking long because he doesn't work on the game. Interesting. Oh, I need to move Mario as well. See, most people don't actually notice, but most mods never get finished. It's very rare that a mod gets finished. You guys are just spoiled because you're watching me. Just because of a brain tumor diagnosis 3 or 4 years ago. I think it was even longer than that. Honestly, I don't know if it's real. I don't know if I believe it either.
Bye-bye!
Okay, well, there's some issues with this, but that mostly works. There's something really bizarre going on though with the crawling. That's like a crazy bug. Why is it crawling like that? I'm glad you liked it. My editor felt bad that the BLJ video is not doing well, but honestly, it was kinda expected that it wasn't gonna be doing well. So this is depressing. What, you didn't see the BLJ video? I made a video explaining how BLJs work. Just like the standard YouTuber video where you explain things. On your Dorial's server. And you voted 1 star without seeing the video? You're really old. Your memory's already gone. So how do I block letting go of Bowser here? Action arc set to 2, but that is what I'm doing. I'm not understanding this. It's already pretty well known, so I'm not surprised. Yeah, but I think this is the type of video that does well over the years. And not immediately. Yeah, Pat and Coke's videos are always painful in depth. I also sometimes feel like Pat and Coke's videos are a little slow. Like they don't go as fast over everything. Which is something I don't really like. And they're very comprehensive, yeah.
Bye-bye!
Need more surface area here. Infidels clip meme be like some Super Mario Bros. Post? I don't think so. I mean, maybe you feel that way, but I know Panenko personally, and I am very sure that none of his videos are purposefully clip or meme bait. I'm sure he actually just wants to use his words to best describe what is going on inside of Mario 64. The way Pan and Cook considers his videos, how I perceive this, is that I think he is thinking about people watching this video 3,000 years down the line. Like, he wants this video to never lose relevance, to not be dated at all, and to have every information possible. Something about the code, I think it's a Blender issue. Yeah, the letting go is definitely not a Blender issue, but there was something else I wanted to fix in Blender. It's just UI encounter help me, can make less pixelated. Well, we tried that by making them RGBA 32 textures, which have alpha channels, so we have some aliasing in there. But evidently you don't think that's good enough, so I'm not sure what else we can do, unfortunately. Okay, wait, let me check if maybe the flower also has this bug. Before I try to copy this from the flower over, I should check that the bug doesn't exist here too. Yeah, it doesn't. The fuck? Surely this doesn't pop up anywhere. Uh-huh. I don't see a bug still. Should see the engineer has a training on the game to posting all the times he will make half a percentage and he's at the end of his rope. Didn't Panda feel like people are making fun of him after rolling rest video? Yeah, I think that's true.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
How can he let go there, but not here? We should just look at the section. Maybe that has a good hint. Act holding Bowser. Be pressed and no action arc. Well, we're clearly passing the action arc too, so how is that possible? Do you want to fight? The hell? Do we not? We do go to act picking a Bowser. Surely this will print 2 at all times, right? Or 6 even. Well, FW, there isn't really a thing I can do about it. The textures right now is 1 pixel of texture is 1 pixel on screen. So it is physically not possible to render higher detail than that on the N64. Unless I increase the frame buffer size, which performance-wise would be disastrous. So really, there's absolutely nothing I can do about it.
Let's go.
It goes to 0. How does that make any sense? I am so confused by this. Ow! I see no possible reality in which this makes any sense at all. Do I have to pull out Nemu? Do we set the action arc here somehow? No. Something is overwriting the action arc only in this level without telling me. And only when you're holding Bowser. Doesn't make any sense. We're using Nemu. Which one set Mario in 948? Oh yeah, we have Xena's friends over today, so I have to be there by 5. This time he just let go before I even got there. Ow. How is this different between emulators? This is so cursed. It's different between emulators. Hello, Graphic Tüftler. Use a right breakpoint, I guess. That seems fine to me. A W seems fine to me. Another W. Where's the store instruction? I guess it's the one above. Another load, another load, a load, a load, a load, load. Box jank debugging. There has to be some kind of corruption going on again. Starward V0. That's the star dance. Where are we? 848C, 848C. Reset intro scene. Why is reset intro scene running? This shouldn't be running if there's no intro scene. Why did I want to reset this? And why is this only an issue on Project 64? Either way, I don't think we need to reset the intro cutscene when there is no intro cutscene. That makes no sense. But that shouldn't have set the argument anyway. What? That's what was causing the crash? And I can't rotate the camera. Okay, so we do need to reset the intro scene, yes. This is messy. I see, so this is going over multiple frames when it shouldn't be working like this at all. It should just not even call the intro scene if there is none. So this bug is a bug that would fix itself in the end. It's actually, you know what, this is not even a bug. Where did I disable the reset intro scene? I'll just find it again. The issue is just that there's some unconditional thing we do on the first frame of the level starting, when that's realistically not even possible. So that's program grabbing this thing in. This would fix itself as soon as we have like the proper hitbox in for the thing. What happened here? That's not the right collision.
Bye-bye.
The bug still is there. I have no idea then. But the collision is also totally wrong. Oh, we have the sticky wall collision in, that's why. Oh, it's 2 hours late? Black. Okay, by the way, it worked on NEMU, but not on Project 64. Is that right? That would be super cursed. Maybe. A technical barrier. This might be important.
Bye-bye.
The hell? Well, at least the collision is right now. And the effect would look really good if it worked. And it would really look like you're falling down into hell. Oh, this is gonna look so good once it works. Alright, let me make sure. Let me verify that it doesn't work in NEMU either. Oh, it does crash after a bit. Or not crash, but throw. There's an interesting gap in the geometry here. Okay, I have no explanation, so... Does any of this? No, doesn't make any sense. Wait, wrong code. We do need this. I do not like coffee now. I don't need Y. Where did I mess up? Here. Okay, we still need the emulator to the debugger to figure out what's going on here. Maybe breakpoint on action arc is easier. Maybe I understand you more. You know how Mario Galaxy at the end has these comets that you can collect stars in? Don't Yoshi's Island has that, but with Yoshi stars instead. So instead of a comet appearing, there's gonna be a Yoshi that gives you a mission where it's like, do this with these special conditions and you get a star. So for example, in the demo there was the one Yoshi was like, get the red coins with 2 or less A presses. How did I mess this up? Huh? Oh. God damn it. Yeah, I'm planning 45 of those in total. so they're kind of just like tacked on as bonus stars. That Yoshi will not be in the demo I'm releasing this time, though. There you go. Okay, I wanna see if anything writes to the action arc. I don't think I can trust these. Well, maybe it really is at 1C. It is at 1C, okay. Let's see. It's being read somewhere already. But I don't think that's how it should work. Oh, never mind. Makes sense. Still 6. Still 6. Now it's storing something new here. S2. S2 is 2. That's what it should be. So it's all fine so far. 0? Where is this? Act holding Bowser. It just overwrites it with 0? Are you kidding me? What was this for? I now see why. Oh, does this have something to do with... Oh. That's so weird how that's done. Why does it need no action arc here? Oh, I see. This should work by action state, not action arc. That's weird how that was programmed. They really just use action arc and action state interchangeably in vanilla. Bro likes his tea. Skull emoji.
Bye-bye.
Okay. That's almost good. Almost. We're still close. How do these variables work again? I think that means I have to put this at 0x0. This should be fine. Yeah, but pulled it in and Mario fell. I mean, that would be cool too. But I don't wanna. Okay, so the animation of the paper is still a little iffy. The ending works mostly fine, but the beginning not so much. Nice. That's that means the warp works. Alright. I just gotta... The OST is Woolly World. I just gotta adjust the animation speed a little bit, and then this is perfect. But for today, I've had enough. And I will see you guys in the next stream, which I do have the whole week off. So I'm probably streaming basically every day. Maybe we'll do longer streams, but I will have to do my workout on stream. So until then, bye bye.